scalp treatment. Yes, guys, if you are having bald spots, this is your best bet. Onion, garlic, and cayenne pepper. In this video, I'll be making onion juice, very pure onion juice, highly concentrated onion juice for my hair. So first of all, you need to blend the onion, the garlic, and your cayenne pepper together. You can use a powdered pepper, or you can just blend all together as you see me doing this video. Blend with little water so you are able to get a very high concentrated onion juice. Yes. Now this is my hair. My hair is very dry. My scalp is kind of sore. I don't even know how to term it, but I just needed this treatment. To give me some good help on my scalp. Yeah, and it felt quite good. It felt very, very good. So first of all, you need to prep your hair before you put this product in your hair. It's easy to do. Blend your onion, your garlic, and your cayenne pepper, depending on the quantity of your hair. But the onion should be in a ratio of 70%. The garlic should be 20%, and the cayenne pepper should be 5 or 10%. If the garlic is 20%, cayenne pepper should be 10%. If garlic is 25%, cayenne pepper should be 5%. Yes, and then just apply it on your hair. I've used onion juice for a while now, and even though I went on a break, it's a treatment that I can never fully leave behind. I can never do that. So no matter how much I neglect my hair, I will always go back to onion juice. There are several benefits of onion juice, and some include growing bald spots. If you have a particular bald spot on your hair that is refusing to grow, using onion juice can really help regrow that bald spot very fast and very, very quickly. Yes. Another one I have tried myself is it also heals the scalp. Yes. If you have issues on your scalp, if your scalp is having, issues in general, this can really, really help heal your scalp. So onion juice is something that I like to use when I want to heal my scalp. If I am struggling with some pain on my scalp and I want to get rid of that pain, then I use onion juice. Yes, it's good to do this in sections. When you manipulate your hair in sections, it makes products work faster. Products are able to penetrate easier and faster. They're also able to work very, very well for you. Yes. You can ask me how often you should do this. Well, you can do this every time you wash your hair, because onion juice, there's really nothing negative. It doesn't have protein that you say you are giving yourself protein overload or something. It's very, very good. It's high in sulfur, which is able to revive dormant hair follicles. So at this point, I'm just applying this onion juice onto my hair. So let's enjoy some music, and I'll be back at the latter part of the video. have to shampoo your hair. This is like the first step you do to your hair, so it needs to follow up with a shampoo. And mind you that onion has a very strong smell, so you have to get rid of the smell with a good shampoo that lathers very well, and also shampoo with a good smell, so that it's able to eradicate the smell from your hair. I mean, the onion smell in your hair. You know, onion can be very strong, yes. But you shouldn't worry so much smelling like onion. You will not smell like onion. If you're able to wash it out very well, you will never smell like onion, yes. So when you're done, just cover your hair up with rubber and then wear your steamer cap. If you're looking to heal your scalp from sore or something, wearing a steamer cap is your best bet. I mean, it works very fast. It's really your best bet. You'll notice that the heat in the steamer cap is able to help the onion juice, or help the nutrients in the onion juice penetrate into your scalp, and that is something you definitely love when you do this treatment. Yes. So guys, let me know what you think about this onion juice. For me, I love it so much. If you're having scalp issues, I mean, it's something I can use throughout the year, an entire year. You can just call me onion juice queen, because I love the results onion juice give. It gives this good results that, I mean, I don't even know how to express it. Yeah. So after everything, you wear your rubber, you wear your steamer cap, and you are good to go. Repeat this every time you want to wash your hair. That is if you want to deal with a particular problem. If you are suffering from scalp alopecia, if you are suffering from traction alopecia, if you are suffering from dandruff. The last time my sister even said that her dandruff went away because I used onion juice on her hair, and I was even surprised myself, because I also used to have very serious dandruff, and now sometimes I can't even find it on my hair, and sometimes I'm like, hey, was I not the one with a lot of dandruff on my hair? But now I cannot even see the dandruff that I used to have. So guys, do this treatment and you are going to thank me later. It's something I always recommend to people. If they tell me that they are suffering from, their hair is not growing or something, this is what I always recommend to people to use on their hair. Afterwards, I went to shampoo the hair, and then I came back and the hair was looking so beautiful. Like, I was feeling so happy about the results. I really liked it. And you could tell that the nutrients in the onion juice had penetrated really well into my scalp. I'll see you guys in my next video. Do well to comment, do well to like this video. If you are new to the channel, do well to subscribe, so that I know that you want to see more content like this. Yes. Till next time, bye.